Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox this bike camera pro. This is a dash camera for bikes. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna give you the review of the clarity and the performance. So yeah, I'll start it. So inside the box we get the mount, so we can stick on the bike helmet or on the bike. Actually I brought this extra mount, so I already have installed on my helmet, so you can see it. So I have installed on the helmet. And yeah, this is the camera. It's actually nice build quality. Yeah, I can feel that hardness. Okay, so I'm gonna just install on the helmet and I will just show you how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, as you can see. Once you connect with the Wi-Fi through your mobile, it gets recording automatically, but you have to install the memory card. Okay, it supports up to 1 TB. So as per your preferences you can purchase the memory card. Okay, so yeah, this is the extra mount, so that you can just install it here and you can carry with your hand itself. You can record wherever you want. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the recorded video. So yeah guys, I hope you like the video, and for the price point of 3900, I think it's not so bad. It's quite worth it. So you can capture all their road incidents like accident or any other problems on the road. It's a big safety for you to have a solid proof. And yeah, I hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, please do comment. I'll put a buying link in the description. You can buy it through Amazon. Yeah guys, please subscribe the video. So yeah, that's it for the day.